Yeah, talk to you about drop shipping pet products, and I want to have a conversation about all the top 15 trending products. Okay, if you want to do that kind of drop shipping, so it's important to understand that drop shipping is actually a pretty profitable business, especially drop shipping pet products. Okay, basically you are looking at 300 to 400 billion dollars this year just in drop shipping pet products. That's a lot. That's a lot of cash. Okay, because the thing is that people actually tend to enjoy their pets more, and they want to make sure their pets are pretty comfortable. So when it comes to drop shipping pet products, you need to understand that profit margins are always important, right? Because we are in business. We're not charities. We're not philanthropies. So you want to make sure the profit margins are pretty healthy, usually double digits. You want to have maybe 40% to 50% profit margins. Products with higher profit margins give you a better shot at building a successful dropshipping business, because the whole thing about dropshipping is that you have to be scalable, okay? And you got to have the scale to be scalable. Scale means you got to generate enough revenue. Think also about shipping speed. So if you want to have a successful drop shipping business, actually covering pet products, shipping speed is really key, because the faster a supplier ships a product to your customer, the better, and that's what you want. You want to have that speed. So fast shipping makes customers really happy and more likely to buy additional products, and that's what you want. You want to have if you want to retain your customers, if you want to have loyal customers over a long time, speed of delivery has to be quite essential. You also got to think about supplier reliability. So you need products from suppliers with consistent quality. So if you want to drop ship pet products, that reliability is really key. And demand, because some pet products are in higher demand than others. So you want to pay attention to online trends to discover in demand products for your store. Okay. Now you have a lot of places where you can find information. If you want to find trending products for your store, you can try Google Trends. You can try competitor analysis, or even supplier catalogs. I mean, you have some supplier catalogs that will give you all the info that you need about the trends in your industry. Okay, so that's really cool. So I want to share with you the top 15 best selling pet products for dropshipping this year. And I want to insist on the fact that you have those are high margin products. Number one, you have no tangle double dog walking leash with lights. Think about that. I mean, all those dog owners, dog parents, they want to have that kind of leash. Okay, so many people have two pets, and walking them both can be tiring. So two dogs with individual leashes can actually get tangled, giving you actually extra work to untangle the leashes. So this product actually solves the tangling problem by providing a single leash to walk two dogs. I mean, two or three or four or five dogs. Okay. And the cool thing about the product is that it has adjustable leash lengths, enabling you to walk two dogs or three of different sizes. It includes LED lights for nighttime walks. And so many pet owners buy those products because of its functionality and safety. So that's really good. The next one is the cat self grooming brush. And so cat owners actually can attest to their alluring pets spreading fur everywhere. So finding fur on the couch, bed, floor, table, and other home fixtures gets annoying. Think about it, right? But the cool thing is that this self grooming brush helps solve the problem. It's actually stationary. So it's a stationary grooming brush that captures fur when cats pass by. So this is really good from a hygiene point of view. You are really safe. And as a cat owner, you would appreciate this product because it greatly reduces the fur you find in unwanted places, and people are willing to spend significant amount of cash on it, making this one of the best dropshipping pet products. Next, you have the pet training clicker kit. So basically, pet owners don't just want pets lying around. They often want to teach their dogs and cats new skills and bond with them, right? So this pet training clicker kit makes training easier. It creates actually distinct sound to reinforce positive behavior and discourage negative behavior. Okay, facilitating effective communication between pets and their owners. Next, you have a dog snuffle mat. This is another wonderful product, and this is an engaging tool for dogs because it really mimics a natural environment to bring out a dog's foraging instincts. And dogs can search for treats, dig in, roll, and do other things they often do in the woods or alone. So that's really good. And as a pet owner, you will love this tool because it will keep your dog busy and also reduce anxiety. It also offers a unique selling point, and this product is one of the best pet products to sell online this year. You also have an automatic ball launcher. So dogs are united globally for the love of pursuing and fetching balls. And this product actually lets pet owners tap into this instinct and keep their dogs active. And this is really good. You want to have an active dog. And so the product actually automatically launches balls at different distances, enabling your dog to stay stimulated without constant human attention. And so this is a product that appeals to tech savvy pet owners who need something to help them build affection with their dog. So if this is you, you will love that. Next, you have biodegradable dog poop bags. This is a very good product. I love it. I love it personally. And poop bags are essential for dog owners, but they're often made of plastic. Think about that. And this causes pollution. The plastic causes pollution. In contrast, this product, the biodegradable poop bag, is made of materials that break down naturally and leave no residues. And this product is perfect for environmentally conscious dog owners, an audience willing to spend more on eco-friendly pet products than cheaper, less eco-friendly alternatives. Okay, and biodegradable poop bags are a consumable product, so customers often return to buy more from your store. They are lightweight, easy to ship, and have significant profit margins, making them one of the best pet supplies when it comes to drop shipping business. Next, I want you to think about paw cleaner. So, a paw cleaner is really good when it comes to like the hygiene, like dogs' hygiene. Dogs love exploring the outdoors, making their paws get dirty, right, over time. And the cool thing about this product is that it keeps your dog paws clean after walks or playtime. And you can pour water into the cleaner, insert your dog paws, and clean it with the soft, gentle bristles. And it's a very simply a crucial product that you, as a dog owner, you will love. Next, you have plush animal chew toy, and this is actually I love this one too. I mean, pups love chewing because it helps teething and makes their gums feel better. And so this plush chew toy is lightweight and durable, making it a favorite for pet owners. So it is a dispensable product. So customers who actually love it, repeatedly buy it from your store. You can sell it in different colors, sizes, and other variants. It really depends on you. Next, you have donut bed bed. This actually is a pretty. This product provides a comfy space for cats and dogs. It's shaped like a donut, very soft, and has a raised rim for extra convenience and security. So it also comes in different sizes. So as a pet owner, you can easily choose the desired size that you want. And this bed offers a great function and form, making it one of the best selling pet products this year. So this is really fantastic. Next, you also have a cat water fountain. So this is one of the best products when it comes to drop shipping pet products. Okay, and this cat water fountain is actually, I mean, what I love about this product is that it has innovation. Okay, this is an innovative product that encourages cats to drink more water, and that's what you want too. You want your cat to drink more water, and what this cat water fountain does is that it continually circulates water and has filters to keep the water clean. Okay, and one thing for sure, cats are naturally curious and get intrigued by unusual things. So encountering this fountain makes cats more likely to drink water, which, as a pet owner, you would appreciate, right? Because it is healthy and you want your cat to actually drink water all day long. And you also have the pet hair remover, and this product is applicable to cats, but also dogs. And this product actually does something really wonderful because it solves an urgent problem for dog and cat owners. It easily removes hair from clothing, furniture, and anywhere those fluffy beings like to wander across. And it's actually a simple solution to a pressing problem, which makes it a best selling product because you are providing a solution to a pain point. Think about it that way. Next, you have adjustable dog harness. So, a harness sits around a dog's body instead of its neck, and making walks more convenient if you think about it. And so, this adjustable harness relieves stress on a dog's neck during long walks, for instance. And this actually makes them a favorite for dog owners, especially dog owners who are actually living on the countryside. That way, they have more control over their uh, their 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 uh, their pets, okay, and they have more also more flexibilities, and so you can sell different variations of this harness and make significant profits. Because see, the thing is that anything that has to do with safety, pet owners actually don't look at price. They look at the convenience, they look at the flexibility, and they look at the value that you are adding to their lives, and that's what they're paying for, really. As long as you're solving a pain point, you're bringing you're bringing a good solution to a durable problem. You are going to make tons of cash. So if you're looking for the training pet products for drop shipping, I want you to think about soft pet blankets. So this product keeps pets warm during cold nights and winter. It's actually made from cotton, wool, or linen, and can be easily machine washed. So this is kind of cool because some pet owners worry about actually actually cleaning the pet products that you sell. So as long as they know that this can be easily machine washed, they're pretty good. They will adopt it. Okay, and some blankets have reversible sides, making them easy to reuse and clean. So this adds an extra layer of flexibility and reliability. You also have cooling mat for dogs. This is also a pretty good product to actually invest in. So this unique accessory keeps cats and dogs comfortable during warm weather. Okay, so it's actually a mat filled with gel to absorb a pet's heat and keep them cool. So again, you are looking at safety. You're looking at comfort. You're looking at accountability, if you will. So many pet owners love it because of the benefits it provides for a very affordable price. So adding this product to your store can generate considerable sales, especially during hot seasons, if you will. And the last trending pet products for dropshipping this year is actually the pet lick mats. Okay, and so this mat has a textured surface to spread semi-liquid treats like yogurt or bone broth. Okay, and then a pet licks off the treat to stay active and stimulated. And this product solves a common problem of keeping dogs busy, making it highly sought after, especially in in warm weather. Okay, one thing I want to say here is that in warm weather, but also in crowded places like in cities or even suburban areas, because those are areas where you want to keep pets really busy. You want to keep them active. Okay, so this is important to really think about that from that point of view. So I just shared with you the top trending product for pet drop shipping. Okay, let me share with you now the top drop shipping suppliers for pet products. So you have a lot of them, by the way. You have Zendrop, you have AliExpress, you have Spockets, you have actually Silhu, you have Petco, among others. Let me explain a little further. So when I say, for instance, when I talk about Zendrop, you have a platform that provides a variety of high quality pet products for dropshippers. The company directly controls their suppliers to ensure consistent product quality and reliability, unlike some other platforms that connect dropshippers with random suppliers. So Zendrop will vet suppliers thoroughly and offer industry leading shipping. So this is kind of cool. AliExpress is kind of cool also. Here you have a robust network of pet products suppliers, mainly from China. And the platform has expedited shipping to US based customers with product reaching their destination within a few days. So this is really cool. And you can find affordable pet products on AliExpress and sell them at very, very high margins on online. And many dropshippers choose AliExpress because of its broad product range. Then you have Spocket. So Spocket will help you source premium pet products and deliver them to US and European markets. So this is really cool. And also, basically, the this app makes it very easy to discover the best selling pet products this year. Okay. You also have Silhu. Silhu allows you to research the top selling pet products on their directory and import them to your store at the click of a button. And finally, you have Petco. So Petco is another great supplier. So this is a leading pet products retailer in the U.S. They also offer B2B supply services, which dropshippers can leverage to obtain high quality products. So when you sign up as a vendor, you can obtain high quality products ranging from treats to clothing, wellness items, soap, beds, and accessories, and you can sell those products at significant margins, giving them actually, giving them a pretty good return on investment because those are premium quality products. Okay. Now, how do you market and sell products successfully? Well, you can use social media for pet product marketing. This is really, really good. Okay. You can use also influencer marketing. So influencers are social media accounts with a large following and credibility in a specific niche. So this include micro influencers with 10,000 to 100,000 followers, macro influencers with half a million to 1 million followers, and mega influencers with over 1 million followers. Okay. And you can also try SEO and blogging for pet products. This is pretty good from a flexibility point of view. And you can publish relevant blog posts for your audience to build actually a loyal following. Okay. And your pet products store can have a dedicated blog for relevant articles like fun ways to train your pet and how to keep your pets warm during winter. So those are pretty good and informative blog articles that can really draw the public that you want. So in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about the trending pet products for dropshipping. I explained to you the top 15 pet products and how to actually market and sell products successfully. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.